My name is Rod Hackwith. I am the program director for the ISU Paramedic Science program. Paramedic Science program is housed in the Meridian campus, but we have a satellite program in the Idaho Falls campus also. Paramedics are the jack of all trades and master of none. We have to know a little about a lot, and we have to be able to apply that to a variety of situations. We have to be able to be flexible. We have to be able to respond to these various situations that come up that you may not be prepared for when you walk in the door. The Paramedic program is an accredited program. First semester is lecture and lab semester, and then in the spring semester we do lectures and lab, and we also start doing patient clinicals. And so they're going to the hospitals and riding on the back of an ambulance to get direct patient contact. In the summer semester is pretty much all hospital and ride-along clinicals. The last phase of the program is a 480-hour field internship. So you are one-on-one in the back of an ambulance with a seasoned paramedic who is showing you how to do this job. Ada County and Canyon County are growing. Idaho Falls is growing, so there's been an increased need for paramedics in those areas. We have a growing program, and we are preparing those individuals if they can't find local work that students are fine to go elsewhere, and they're all finding jobs wherever that they've been looking. And so I think that's, again, a testament to the program and its perspective to prepare them not just for local work, but for basically any place you want to go in the nation. The students are getting jobs.